Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A debate in the Senate which should have been about ending the states of public emergency turned to one about which political party has the better track record. With elections in the air, political jabs dominated the discussions, at times threatening the sitting.
On Tuesday, Parliament approved the ending of the states of emergency. That was just before the Prime Minister announced the date for the general election, ensuring that, as promised, Jamaicans would not go to the polls under the emergency security measure. Opposition senators who have questioned, if not outrightly bashed the measure, again questioned the move against the current crime levels.
What is happening now is that they are removing the state of emergency, which is the platform on which they tackle the crime problem. And in its place, not even temporarily, have they said what then will obtain. So they leave us to the mercy of chance.
There have been heated debates previously around the states of emergency, but with the general election just over 20 days away, the arguments quickly turned to orange versus green.
The state of crime is chronic. That's true, we agree. It was better between 2012 and 2016. It was better when Portia was Prime Minister.
The last year of the former administration saw 20% increases in the number of murders in 2015 over 2014.
I have been looking at the history of administrations from 1962, and I have not come across an administration that have had so many allegations of corruption.
Senator Nye. Senator Nye.
I'm not making allegations.
Senator Nye.
Citing the Contractor General report.
Senator Nye.
He said you shouldn't sit on the board. Very, very powerful opinion.
And you know that. Stop using it.
Stop using it. Stop using traffic guru.
The people out there will mark the scorecard, Senator Hill, when they know that they used to be able to eat chicken for Sunday dinner, and now they can barely eat chicken back for Sunday dinner. They will mark the scorecard on prosperity, and they will say what 4 in 5 or 5 in 4 or whatever figment of somebody's imagination was.
Mr. President, so when persons hear the opposition speaking about rescuing Jamaica from the hands of this administration, they don't know what they're talking about. They know that they're among the thousands of people in rural Jamaica who have been receiving water in their communities for the first time, Mr. President. They know about the mobile justice units that are coming to give them access to justice. We've had a 40% drop in poverty as compared to 2015, a 40% as recorded in 2018. Mr. President, the PATH budget and the school feeding budget have been increased 83%, Mr. President.
Eventually, the motion for the states of emergency to end was passed, with 15 senators voting for it.
Meanwhile, today's meeting of the Senate comes on the eve of the end of the parliamentary term. Now, although Parliament will be dissolved, the Prime Minister, Ministers of Government and the Leader of the Opposition will continue in their respective roles until the Governor-General makes new appointments. Additionally, the President, Deputy President, the Speaker of the House and Deputy Speaker will continue to hold office until new members are elected to those offices. However, all activities of both houses, including committee meetings, will come to a halt.